up guys, Ludzerzy here, and today I am going to be explaining to you guys why did Apple decided to remove USB USB ports from the MacBooks. So the reason why they did this is because they wanted to make the laptop as thin as they can, and instead they decided to add USB-C ports instead. So this is the reason why they decided to remove USB ports, because they wanted this part to be thin, the MacBook itself. By the future, maybe like 10 years from now on, I think MacBooks would be even more thinner than this. Also, let's see, it would be much more functional for Roblox. So this is just a short video. I might as well just end off the video right here. So if you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, comment, and see you all later.